Neuroendocrinology. What is neuroendocrinology? It is split up into two parts, neuro and endocrinology. Neuro is linked to the nervous system. The nervous system regulates the use of muscle and glands through neurotransmitters. Glands is a structure that makes hormones. Hormones can trigger reaction in specific cells that have the correct receptors from the hormone. The endocrine system is what influences the activity of cells within hormones, neurons to neurons, transmitters to receptor cells. Glands. All glands have a water-based secretion within them. They accumulate to one or more cells. Endocrine glands. These glands are found internally. They release hormones into the bloodstream. For example, they are adrenal glands, pituitary glands, pancreas, testes / ovaries. Exocrine glands. These are the glands that are on the exterior side of our body, e.g. the salivary gland, sweat gland, and mammary gland. Hormones. When hormones pass through endocrine glands into the bloodstream, they can only mix with specific target cells. The theory that this is called is the lock and key theory, 1894. This is because only certain hormones can fit with certain target cells, such as a key can only fit with a certain lock. Glands to target cells. Adrenal glands release the exercise hormone adrenaline, which is a hormone that increases cardiac output, fat metabolism, glycogen breakdown, and vasoconstriction, which its main targets are the heart, lungs, and vessels. The endocrine gland that releases the exercise hormone testosterone is testes / ovaries. Testosterone helps promote protein synthesis and promotes bone mass. Its main target is the muscles, kidneys, and bones. Thyroid gland is another endocrine gland which its exercise hormone is thyroxine. Thyroxine stimulates oxidative metabolism and stimulates cell growth. Its main target cells are all cell growth. Finally, the pancreas is an endocrine gland which its exercise hormone which is insulin / glucagon. Insulin promotes protein synthesis and promotes glucose entry into cells. Glucagon increases blood sugar levels. The main target cells for this hormone is the muscles and liver. Different types of hormones. Anabolic. These hormones help to increase protein synthesis, which is good to build muscle and strengthen it. The hormones attached to this is insulin, testosterone, and growth hormone. Catabolic. These hormones help to decrease photosynthesis. This is because it helps enzyme synthesis and activates pathways for glycogen. The hormones attached to this cortisol and progesterone. Fat soluble. These hormones help to stimulate new proteins. They do this by diffusing across the cell membrane and binding the receptors to the cytoplasm. The hormones relate to this is testosterone and cortisol. Water soluble. These hormones cannot diffuse across all membranes like fat soluble because they require a secondary messenger which modified proteins that were already there. The hormones attached are epinephrine / insulin hormones. And that's the references.